First, I will cut this cardboard into rectangular shape. Now I will make a circle and cut it off for making the lens of the camera. I will attach those pieces of cardboards with masking tape. I am making a hole to tie this rope with the camera. I have covered the camera with white paper. Now it's time for painting. I am using orange acrylic color. I will use this empty shell of tape as the lens of the camera, so I am using black acrylic color. I am using this black craft paper as the screen of the camera. Now I will quill this paper for making the button of the camera. In this way, you can make a toy camera very easily.